Hey everybody, thought we'd throw out a second video tonight. We're way behind. You guys have been very patient, so thank you. There's been a lot going on with the warehouse, which will be in our next video. Getting that set up to expand this operation. But anyway, we put this rig together today. It's got 8 1080 Ti's. We haven't really pushed it as far as overclocking. I'm pretty sure we get 6,000 hash out of this thing pretty easy. We're just kind of getting it, letting it run a little bit, getting it burned in. A few things to consider if you guys want to build one of these. I guess primarily it's power, right? So our main power supply in this rig is a EVGA 1600 G2. That's powering the motherboard and 5 cards. And secondary power supply on this is a EVGA 1000 G3. These things are interesting. They're tiny, I guess, because they put the capacitors inside of the cables, and they're also super efficient. So anybody running a bigger operation, they're affordable and they're very efficient. We were kind of surprised. Thought it'd be a little bit more difficult to get this going, but everything pretty much worked right after we plugged it in. We are running an Asus Z270A. It's a Prime. I think that's pretty typical. I think there's only one version of it. There's an AR version that only has HDMI. But anyway, as you can see, we just used one M2 slot. It's got a second M2 slot. I don't know if we could get 9 cards going just because of Windows OS limitations. We could probably do it in Linux pretty easy. Maybe something we try in the future. So this board has 7 PCIe slots, and then we just used one of the M2 slots. I think the second one is right there. So maybe we'll try 9 for the next video. We'll see how that goes in Linux. I guess the other thing power-wise, if you guys want to build one of these, make sure that you've got a 20 amp breaker in your panel. Because this, I think the total system output from the wall is right around 2100 watts. So at 120 volts on a 20 amp breaker, that's pushing it already. But anyway, we just thought we'd throw this out there. Surprisingly easy. The 270A is a great motherboard to use if you guys want to do 8 GPUs. And we were very pleased at how easy this was to kind of throw together. But thank you all for watching. If you like the video, shoot us a like. If you think we suck ass, give us a dislike. It's all good. Thank you guys for tuning in, and good luck to everybody.